Hi, I was wondering if I could schedule some time to talk to you about my work progress.
Of course. How about we schedule a meeting for next Wednesday at 10 a.m.?
Sounds good, thanks. I wanted to discuss my current tasks and goals, and get your feedback on how I'm doing.
Great. Let's start by going over your current tasks. How are you finding them?
Some of them are going well, but I've been struggling with a couple of the more complex projects.
Okay, can you give me an example of one of the more complex projects you're working on?
Sure, I'm currently working on the marketing plan for our new product line, and I'm having trouble figuring out how to target our ideal customers.
I see. Well, have you looked at any data to help you identify who our target market is?
Yes, I've looked at our customer demographics, but I'm still unsure of how to reach them effectively.
Okay, let's take some time to review the data together and brainstorm some ideas. How about we schedule a follow-up meeting next week to go over your progress?
That sounds like a good plan. Also, I was wondering if you could give me some feedback on my performance so far.
Of course. Overall, I think you've been doing a good job. Your attention to detail is impressive and you're a good team player. However, I've noticed that you sometimes struggle with meeting deadlines. Is there anything I can do to help you stay on track?
Thank you for the feedback. I think I can benefit from more guidance on how to manage my time better.
That's a good idea. Let's work on creating a plan together to help you manage your workload more effectively. And don't hesitate to reach out to me if you need any help or support.
Thanks, I appreciate it.